wrong. So this is a lot of people where you've been sitting have been saying more and more in the recent days that they are moving their assets towards cash, and they are very worried. Are you?
Well, we advise our clients to raise cash to above benchmark in the kind of early August, which is a bit late, but it's not too late. I think overall, the defensive makes sense because we are facing a lot of uncertainties, particularly in Europe. I think the European financial crisis there is no sort of the sign of any ending. I mean, okay, yesterday EU made the right step.
Well, we're moving slowly in the right direction. Well, I'm not going to say it's the right or wrong decision, but what commentators are saying is the right decision to be making, the right move to be doing to perhaps protect the banking sector, ring-fence that, and ring-fence Greece if they can.
Yes, I think this is at least the right direction. I think if Greece default going to have a 50% haircut, the banking sector is going to suffer enormously. They need to have a proper capital cushion to sort of ready for this kind of haircut. I'm not sure that all the European banks already made such a sort of reserve.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot more of that coming along. But, amongst all this, we also have the markets not just looking at Greece. There's a Greek default now in the price, one part of it. But people are saying that it needs to be ring-fenced because the investors will take their aim at someone else.
Exactly. I think Greece is just a sideshow in my view. The major show is now moving to the entire banking sector related to Portugal's, Ireland, and now you know that the Italians, the bond has been just downgraded.
Yeah.
I mean, the risk is moving towards the core European countries, including French banks, right? So this is not a simple Greek issue.
But also just looking at this China story as well, there's more and more noise coming through that it is almost a hard landing is being priced in very quickly.
Right. I think Chinese economy in the larger sense, I think it's still in good shape. If you look at the power consumption, the steel price, the import demand for iron ore, still very healthy. But in the end, yes, the real estate sector is kind of facing troubles. I agree.